party is the essence of elegance, often set in fancy venues adorned with delicate china, fine linens, and a refined ambience. These gatherings are more than just social events. They're timeless traditions that celebrate sophistication and grace. Whether hosted in a grand hall or a quaint garden, a tea party offers the perfect setting to savor fine teas, indulge in dainty treats, and enjoy delightful company. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to create a memorable tea party experience that combines the best of elegance and fun, all in the comfort of your own home. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to host a delightful tea party. This is a fantastic way to celebrate with family and friends during any season. Let's get started. First things first, choosing the right theme. Picking a theme sets the tone for your tea party. It guides your decisions on decorations, food, and activities. A well-chosen theme creates a memorable experience for your guests. Consider themes like Victorian-era tea parties, Alice in Wonderland, or seasonal celebrations. Second, invitations and decorations. Creating the right atmosphere for your tea party starts with thoughtful invitations and decorations. Craft unique invitations that reflect the theme of your tea party. Use delicate paper with floral patterns or pastel colors. Enhance the tea party atmosphere with carefully chosen decor elements like lace table runners, antique picture frames, and decorative tea tins. Third, setting the table. Your table setting is the centerpiece of your tea party. Choose a crisp white tablecloth as your base and layer with colorful placemats or doilies for added charm. Use tiered stands to display sandwiches and pastries, and place sugar cubes in vintage sugar bowls. Fourth, planning the menu. When planning your tea party menu, consider a variety of savory and sweet options. Finger sandwiches are a tea party staple. Offer mini quitchies, savory scones, and bite-sized charcuterie items. For sweet treats, serve scones with clotted cream and jam, petits fours, macarons, and fresh fruit skewers. Fifth, tea pairings and beverages. Choose a variety of teas to suit different tastes. Include classics like Earl Grey and English breakfast, as well as green teas and herbal blends. Green tea, known for its fresh and grassy flavor, pairs well with light snack. Chamomile tea, a popular herbal blend, offers a soothing floral taste that is perfect for relaxation. For a modern twist, consider serving iced tea or sparkling tea, especially in warm weather. Sixth, entertainment and activities. A fun tea party needs engaging entertainment. Set up a tea party-themed photo booth for lasting memories. Choose music that sets the right mood, like classical piano or light jazz. Add tea tasting games and craft stations where guests can decorate teacups or make tea sachets. Seventh, finishing touches. Enhance your dishes with homemade sauces and spreads like salsa or hollandaise sauce for savory items and fruit compote for sweet treats. As the party wraps up, ensure you have a smooth cleanup and gather feedback from your guests about their favorite dishes to refine your menu for future events. Finally, keep the tea party spirit alive. Continue exploring new recipes and ideas for future tea parties. Each gathering is an opportunity to create special memories and try new flavors. Encourage your guests to share their favorite dishes or ideas for your next tea party, keeping everyone engaged and excited. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and tea party inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching, and may your tea parties be delightful.